All right, friends, we're back for day 3. So day 3, we are also still working with perimeter. Our I can for today is I can find the missing side length when given the width in the perimeter or the length in the perimeter. All right, so today we're still working with perimeter. We're still wanting to know how much space or the distance all the way around the outside of a shape. Only today we're already given the perimeter, whereas yesterday we were finding it. And today we're actually missing a side length. All right, so I'm going to give us some examples and walk us through the steps that we can use when we're trying to find the missing side length. I'm going to start off with a rectangle, okay? And we know that the perimeter equals 24, or the distance all the way around this shape is 24, and the width is 7. So I'm going to put the width here. All right, now, we've learned in our geometry unit about rectangles and about squares. This shape is a rectangle. So we know that a rectangle has 2 sets of equal sides. So the top and the bottom are equal, and the left and the right side are equal, or the same amount of, the same length or width. So if the top is 7, we know the bottom also must be 7. Well, now we're stuck because we don't know what our side lengths are. But guess what? We have learned how to find this. So I'm going to walk you through the steps to help remember how to find these missing side lengths. So we have 3 steps that we have to take. Step 1, we're going to add the sides that we already know. So we already know that our top side is 7 and our bottom side is 7. So what is 7 plus 7? 14. Very good. All right, so step 2, we take our perimeter, which is 24, and we subtract our 2 side lengths, 14. Now I'm going to come over here to show my work. If you have a calculator, you can use it, but I'm going to show my work over here for anyone that wants to follow along. All right, so if I'm subtracting, I'm going to draw my bigger number. My bigger number here is 24. 2 10s, 1 2, and 4 1s. Now, what do I always take away first? That's right, my 1s. I take away 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is left? 0. I take away a 10. How many is left? 1. So 24 minus 14 is 10. Step 3. I'm going to share that number I just got between my 2 sides. Now, we've learned that sharing is another word for divide. I'm sharing this number, this difference, between the 2 sides. So 10 divided by 2. Now, what you can do, there's several strategies. I'm going to erase my question mark here. Let me redraw my rectangle. All right, what you can do is you have 10. I'm going to share it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can draw equal groups. So we know that our total always comes first in division. So we have 10 things that we are sharing total and our number of groups. So how many groups are we sharing with? 2. 1, 2. And how many are we sharing? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we know that our missing side length is 5. But we're not done yet. Let's check our work to make sure that we have the right answer, because let's be 100% sure instead of just kind of guessing. All right, now remember, to find perimeter, we want to add all of our side lengths together. So 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5. And when we do this, we should get 24 if we are right. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 5 plus 5 is 10. 14 plus 10 equals 24. Did we get the right answer? Yes, we did. So 5 is our missing side length. All right, I'm going to give you another example, only this time I'm going to use a square. Now, this is where it's going to get a little different or a little confusing from finding a missing side length with rectangles. All right, the perimeter of this square is 16, or the distance all the way around this square is 16. We are given no side lengths. However, what do we know about a square? A square has 4 equal sides, right? So we're going to have to share this 16 with these 4 sides. In other words, we're going to have to divide 16 divided by 4. Our perimeter divided by our number of sides will give us our missing side lengths. All right, now I'm going to use the equal group strategy. 16 is my total. 4 is my groups or number of sides. So I'm going to draw 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to share 16. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, now if I shared equally, I should have an equal number of dots in each group. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 4. So we've determined that our missing side length for this square is 4. But again, let's check our work to be 100% sure. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Were we correct? Yes, we were. All right. I'm going to give you 2 more that I want you to try on your own. The first shape I'm going to give you is another square. Our perimeter is 32. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to give you a rectangle. P equals, or perimeter equals, 20. And our length is going to be 4. All right. I'm gonna want you to pause the video. I want you to try to solve these by yourself, and then I want you to check your work. If you need some help, just look back at the example to help guide you through. Show your work, use your strategies, and take your time. You have plenty of time. Pause this video real quick and solve these 2 problems. All right, I hope you have paused the video and you've tried your best on these 2 problems. I'm going to go ahead and solve them out for us. So again, we have a square here. There are no sides given. However, we know that a square has 4 equal sides. So we are going to have to share our perimeter between these 4 sides. So 32 divided by 4. I'm going to come down here and use my strategy. We know that 32 is our total number of things we are sharing or items we are sharing. 4 is our number of groups. So how many groups am I going to draw? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to share 32, so bear with me. (17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 29, 30, 31, 32. All right, let's check group 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Check group 2 to make sure we have an equal amount because we shared equally. 8, so we should have 8 and 8. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. So we're saying that our missing side length is 8, but what can we do to check to make sure we're 100% right? That's right, check our work. 8 plus 8, 16. 8 plus 8 is 16, and 16 plus 16 equals 32. So were we correct? Yes, we were. All right. Let's check our rectangle down here. So we were given 1 side length. So if we know that this side is 4, we know the other side must be 4, right? All right, now remember there's 3 steps to solve with the rectangle. Step 1, add the sides you already know. 4 plus 4, 8. Step 2, subtract your perimeter from the difference or from the sum that you just got to get a difference. 20 minus 8. Now I'm going to come over here and use a strategy. 2 10s, 0 1s. What do I always take away first? That's right, my 1s. I'm taking away 8 1s. Do I have enough? No, I don't have any. So I'm going to come next door. I'm going to regroup. And I'm going to take 10 ones next door. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because we know 10 ones make a 10. Now do I have enough to take away 8? Yes, I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 2 left. How many 10s am I going to take away? 0. So I have 1 left. 20 minus 8 equals 12. We're not done yet though. There's one more step. We're going to share our difference between our two sides. 12 divided by 2. I'm going to use a strategy, so I'm going to come over here. I'm going to erase this right here. Oops. There we go. 12 is our total. 2 is our number of groups. Here we go. 2 groups. 1, 2, and I'm going to share the 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6, 6, 6. All right, but we're not done yet. Let's check our work to make sure we're right and that we can prove our answer. Remember, we're going to add all of our sides. 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4. 6 plus 6 is 12. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 12 equals 20. All right, if you need help with the next part, with your practice that you're going to have to do, just rewatch the video, watch the examples, and make sure you're showing your work, you're checking your answer, and you're trying your best.